Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I just wanted to have a quick play with all these bits and pieces again. I'm going to make a little sort of just decorate this little pocket, and I also wanted to show you how to get the backing off some of these stickers. Now yesterday it was a little bit difficult for some of them, especially sort of like the harder backed ones. It's difficult to sort of like peel it off. So what I have done, and also I wanted to show you how to get the backing off this. Now I wasn't quite sure whether this was washi tape or it was just like acetate. This is the ones with the lovely feathers on it, but it is sticky, so it's got a back to it and it's not that easy to get off. So I'm going to show you a way of doing that as well. And I thought while we were doing it we'd have a little play. Now I've made one here which I love. So it's just a little easy, simple little pocket. I've used some of the stickers, I've used some of the ephemera. These I am absolutely loving, which are the sort of like the retro ones. I've got a link down below for you as well. These are great and they're matte. I didn't mention yesterday, but these ones are a matte finish. So you can see here that they blend in really well, but you can see the shiny where I put the feather tape and the butterfly tape on there, and there's a butterfly on there, so you can pick up the shiny on that, but the rest are just matte and they feel really lovely. You can't even see the edges of the stickers. So I'm going to just show you how I sort of like got the backing off. Now I'm just going to cut a little piece off here. I'm going to go around that because that's got a little bit of writing on, and I wanted to use that little bit of writing as well. So let's just, it's probably best, it depends what you're using for, just to cut the feathers out. Just do a little rough cut around them, unless you're going to use it like actual sort of tape. Now there's your feather. Okay, it's lovely. Now what I've got a little bit of sticky tape, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick it onto the back like that of the sticker. Now if you peel it, because the back is really thin, it just comes off so easy like that, and it just sticks. So you take it off, you've got your lovely sticker on there. So it is sticky tape. It's not like normal washi tape where it comes off like sellotape, like sticky tape. There is a backing to it, so it's really easy if you pop a little bit of sticky tape on the back. I'm going to pop those, and the same with the little retro stickers as well. Let's take this one, or what shall we have? Shall we make one up? Look at these, aren't they? That would fit in there perfectly, wouldn't it? So I'm going to show you now. These ones, these are quite hard. They almost got like a little acetate back to them. So what I did, I actually bent it in the corner like that, and then I put the tape back on. I'll take this piece. Now I put it on the front of this one because the back is a little bit thicker. So stick it on there and then it will just ping off like that. So if you sort of like bend the acetate back, it just, you probably know this anyway, but for some of you that don't, so just take a corner and bend it. Make sure you give it a little bend. It doesn't do anything to the sticker, but it does help so much, because then the sticker sticks to the tape and you can just pull it off. And then if you can just pull the tape off like that. So if you get a tape that's not majorly sticky, oopsie daisy. So there we go. That's an easy way to do it. The butterfly ones were a little bit more harder to do. So let's just take one out. I do love this one. I love the colours. And I did the same thing. I just bent it over, just pinch it, pinch a corner, take your tape, stick it on there, and then it will just peel it off like that. So it's really simple, because stickers are a nightmare sometimes through their ages trying to pick the sides of it. So that's a simple way. Look at that beautiful butterfly, isn't that just gorgeous? So to show you that, I thought I would just have a little play as well. So I'm going to use some of the lovely ephemera that they sent me. I'll pop a link to the video as well down there. Now I've torn these in half. This is how they come, like that. and I've just torn one in half, so I think they look really nice. You don't have to use them as they are. I'm also going to incorporate some of my papers in there because I think these will work really well as well. So I'm just going to take, this is some more collage papers that I have. Now I liked this 29 in there, so I'm just going to take that off like that. Just rip it down. Take that. Oh, I didn't rip that very well. Let's just snip that piece off. So that can go on there, that can go on there, and then let's have a look. We could have a feather on there, feather down there. We've got some little bits of ticket on here. So you just sort of like add these beautiful pieces. Look at that beautiful butterfly. What else have we got? These lovely flowers. Oh, actually that looks quite nice, doesn't it, over there? We have the beautiful butterfly on there. Shall we just stick this down? So I'm going to just ink the edge on this. So you can use your scrap bits of paper in with this. So I've just used, this is like I said, the collage paper in my shop, but it was just a scrap piece of paper that I had left over. So it's a good way to use up your scraps to incorporate with all these lovely bits and pieces. Now I showed you all these yesterday in a video, and a lot of you have said that the company is a little bit expensive, but I have to say the quality is amazing and the amount of stuff that you get. What they've sent me is great quality. The stickers are amazing quality, I have to say. So it might be a case of you get what you pay for in this. But I think if you bought a packet like these, that great big one I showed you yesterday, you probably wouldn't have to buy any more. They have so much in it, which is great. It will go on forever and ever. And you only need a little bit on each little bit that you do anyway. And you can incorporate it in with all your lovely digital papers and all your lovely bits. So, and again, so the sticker idea with the sellotape, obviously you don't have to use it with these stickers. You can use it as an idea with any stickers you have if you're having problems. See, look, that just peels off really, really nicely. And these are lovely because they're, again, they're matte, so they're not going to be shiny. I'm going to stick that down there like that. Look at that, doesn't that look nice? And you don't have that look, that sort of shiny look to it. The little butterflies are going to be shiny. Shall we stick you down? Let's do our little trick again. Get a little fresh bit of sticky tape, bend the corner, pop that on, and then it just peels off lovely like that. So much easier than faffing around. Shall we pop you just there? Look at that. So you could just leave it just like that. Or what else could I put on it? Have we got any little ferns? I don't think I really need anything on there. As I add that, let's just add this one as well. Looks nice, doesn't it? There we go. Pull that off. And these are beautiful. Loving them. Look at that. That's a really simple, lovely little pocket. And I'm loving it. So that would go in any journal. You could attach it on the side with a little, so it flips like that. You could decorate the back. Could leave that with to journal on, and then make a little tag or a little journaling card inside. So there's the two that I've got here. I have got one ready here, which I've got all sorts of bits and pieces on to do another one. Excuse me. Very croaky today. I've just been out in my garden. The sun is out. My tomato plants are looking lovely, so I'm really pleased about that. I've got some lovely strawberry plants as well with lots of strawberries coming on it, so I'm really pleased. I'm going to stick one of these on as well, So these are great. Look at that. That's another one of my collage papers. These are all the other little bits. So I'm going to stick this on here. And if you've got everything to hand, it doesn't matter what you put together. I think on these little collage ones, anything goes. It really does. So if you have other things in your stash, bits and pieces, just pop them on, make some fabulous little pockets or envelopes or things like that. So I'm just going to stick that on, and then let's stick this on here. And I thought maybe that would look quite nice, wouldn't it? Just wrapped around, so it goes onto the back of there. Shall we just ink around the edge, just a little bit like that. This is just tacky glue that I'm using in here, like this. Put that on like that, and just go over this. This is one says peach, apple, pear and plum trees. So that's like a lovely little sort of tells you what to do with your plum tree. How lovely is that? Oh, it's a little letter, I think. Dear sir. Oh, it's an order. Oh, how lovely. So that can go on there. This is from my the Penny magazine papers. So that's a bit of a leftover piece. So I'm going to just glue that. I'm going to stick this around again like that onto the back, so it sticks around. So that's a good, isn't it? And then I've got these other little bits and pieces. What shall I do with those? Shall we stick that on like that? Let's stick you down as well. Oh, and also, if you saw the frames yesterday, I'll get them out in a minute, they are stickers as well. So I didn't realise they were stickers, but they are sticky and they are fabulous as well. Shall I put that on there? Shall I put you on there? That looks good, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bend it over, just her head. Let's take a bit of sticky tape, and that just pops off like that. And take that off, so easy. What should we do? Pop you there. Look at that, these are great. I wasn't quite sure about these, but I absolutely love them now. It's because they are matte, I think. I'm not sure whether I really need that one on there. I don't think I do. Do we have anything else? Shall I stick, what did I do with that feather that I had? There we go. Should we stick the little feather on there? We could do that, couldn't we? Let's take the back off, if I can. And this one. Oh no, I did it. You want to take it on. Now I'm going to put this on the back. That's it, because the back is very thin. See, that just peels off. So if you can't do it from the front, do it from the back, or vice versa. Stick your tape on there. Look at that. I love these. I'm really loving them. So there we go, guys. Some really simple little pockets. A great way to take the backing off your stickers. So I know some of you probably know how to do it anyway, but it's so simple. Here's a little bit of writing on here. Just bend it over. Let's take that off there because we don't need that. Pop it onto the back, and that should just peel off like that. Then we've got a little bit of writing. Don't know whether you can see that, but I can pop that onto this one because it's white. I don't think you'll see that. I can see it, but I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see that writing on there, but I just love it. So there we go, guys, a couple of ideas and a way of taking the backing off your stickers. So thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.